Hey YouTube, Abdel Carfix. This is a Nissan 2017 Nissan Rouge. No warm air coming from the vents, only stuck on cold. So in this case, the issue is our blend door actuator. And what you have to do is take the cover, like you see here. It's reassembled, pops out. Then there's a couple of screws that hold this one in place. Take all these harnesses, and you have access. There is a cover here. There is the air cover. It has 2 bolts that you have to take. Someone glued this. I don't know what they were doing. Someone glued this. It comes down here, and then you have access to the actuator, which is behind that vent cover. This one right here, and this is where the actuator that we installed. Right there, 2 bolts. Don't look at the yellow sticker, please, because that's the wrong sticker on it. And this actuator, actually, this is the one. I'm gonna give you the part number. It's the part number for this one, and this will look like the sticker will be like that. Okay, so here's the deal. Nissan only sells it for about $31. You can call Nissan and get it from Nissan. It's probably cheaper than online, or about the same price. This is the part number for this one. And basically, replace the actuator. Be very careful when you pull it out. Some of them breaks. So I'll pull it out. 2 bolts. See the bolts? 2 of them holds it in place. And it's working good now. We have hot air coming in, and that's what you need to do to fix your heater. I hope this helps somebody to fix their heater, especially in this cold winter. Thank you for watching my video. Please like, subscribe to my channel. Appreciate it.